Let's get this thing decked. All right, so I swapped out the boring head for my homemade fly cutter and got everything all ready to go here. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take about a 1/1000 skim pass, just see what we have to work with. And then I might have to make an adjustment on the fly cutter just to get the finish that I want. But let's get going. All right, well, for taking such a small bite, just have a few spots to clean up. That'll probably take 2 to 3 more thousandths maybe. But it actually didn't give me any trouble at all finish-wise. Sometimes the cutter will kind of backtrack a little bit. When that happens, you have to tilt the head 1/1000th or so. But it didn't give me any trouble. So we'll take another swipe or two at this, and we'll get it looking good. Well, you have to excuse my crappy deburr job. I'm a little shaky this morning, not feeling very well, but there we are. Still have a couple spots. They're not going to hurt anything though. It's nice and flat. It's got a really nice finish on it. That part of the job is done. So feeling a bit rough today. I don't think I'm going to get out the hone and start trying to do any of that. I just don't have it in me. I think I'll call this good. So we'll get this off here and we'll get it ready to hone, and then we'll do that at a later date. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.